Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share this, you know, that stunning and gorgeous eye makeup look. So if you want to learn more and more professional makeup looks, then please keep on watching because my channel is all about professional eye makeup looks. So let's start with today's video, but make sure to like, subscribe and share, and you can definitely follow me on Instagram for more and more reels and for more and more updates. Okay, so now let's dive into the video. So first I'm going to moisturize my face and then I'm going to moisturize my lips. This is the lip balm from the brand My Glam, and this is the Nivea cream, my all-time favorite. You know, this is my favorite. Okay, and you can see it's used. So highly obsessed and highly recommend this cream. For foundation, I'm going to use this matte look foundation. I'm going to use only one pump today because I don't need this foundation too much on my skin. So I want to use concealer too much today, okay, because I need that flawless base. So I'm not going to use any primer because my skin is breaking out really badly, so you can definitely see, because I don't want to use any primer. Okay, and even though my skin don't need any primer, okay, because I do have pores but not that much visible, so I'm not going to use primer. Today I'm going to use this brush from Just Up. So I highly recommend this brush to blend your foundation, to blend your concealer, your blush, okay. So yeah, it's a very nice brush. Next I'm going to mix these two blushes. These are from Recode Cosmetics. Just going to blend it over here on both the sides. Concealer, I'm going to use this HR concealer, my all-time favorite and my OG and my most favorite concealer. This is from the brand HR. Like, it's a Hilary Roller concealer in the shade number 02. I have 01 and I also have 03. All these three shades are like my OG and my favorite, so I highly recommend this concealer. It's a very nice concealer. So I'm just going to blend it. Like, first I'm going to blend my chin, then my cupid's bow, then my nose, then my forehead, and at the end I'm going to blend my under eyes. For eyeshadows, I'm going to use this palette from Mars Cosmetics and this palette from K Beauty. Okay, so these two palettes I'm going to use today. First, I will be using the white shade from this palette to set out my eyelid to avoid creasing. So this is my white shade, and just look at that pop. So next I'm going to use this shade, like this one. It's a kind of a orange brown color, like this shade, but the camera is not catching the colors. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush. This is from Kyoyo brushes, and I'm going to tap this color over here. It's a burnt brown orange color. It's not totally brown and it's not totally orange, okay, it's an in between color. And I'm just going to apply this on my outer V as well. I'm not going to flick it out that much because I don't want. I'm just going to apply it over here. cut it from going to cut it from here. So I'm going to use this black shade and this brush from Mars Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it on my outer V. And on the middle, I'm going to apply the shade. Next, I'm going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And taking the black shade, I'm going to smoke it out with this Jessa brush. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter. This is from Glam 21 and I'm just going to use the white part of this highlighter. I'm going to apply it over here, only on my front area. Okay, so now let's move on to the glitter part. I'm going to use this silver shade on the black portion. So this is the eye makeup look. Lashes are done and it's looking stunning. So next I'm going to use these translucent powders to powder my face again. So for again powder, I'm going to use this makeup collection by Instagram face kit. इसमें आपको मिलता है, you will get blush, highlighter and one setting powder, and this is how it looks like. This is the powder, these two are the blushes, and this is the highlighter. It's quite affordable, so you can use, so you should definitely invest in this one because the powder is very you know, mattifying as well. Let's see if it works. Yes, just look at that, you know, mattifying effect. I like it. And it is little bit of, and it is little bit brightening. It is very, and this powder is very mattifying, so I'm going to use it over here, a little bit over here. Next I'm going to use this bronzer to contour my face. From this palette I'm going to use this shade. Look at this pan, it's huge and I'm quite happy with this, and I'm going to again bronze my face because I love to bronze. That is why I don't love to contour that much, but I like to bronze my face really well because bronzer just enhance your makeup really fine. So I like to bronze, that's why. So next I'm going to apply blush from this palette, and it's very pigmented blushes. Just look at that shade, it's so good and it will look bomb with these eyes. Next for lipstick, I'm going to use this shade. This is from the brand Trend Beauty Non-Transfer Lipstick. It's a very amazing cool tone brown shade. Just love that color so much. Next I'm going to use this cool tone shade because this shade is not going proper with this eye look, and I need that muted tone. Yes. So I'm going to apply this lip gloss from Mars Cosmetics. So yeah, this is the final eye makeup and full face. So I just love this makeup so much, and if you want to learn more and more makeup looks like these, more and more eye makeup, more and more professional makeup looks, and more professional tips, then please keep on watching because my channel is all about makeup, skincare, hair care, lifestyle, everything. So I just love this eye makeup so much, and it is like full on professional makeup look. If you want to learn more makeup looks, more professional, more pro makeup looks, then please keep on watching because I love to do it for you guys. So let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look? And you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and yeah, love you all. Till then, take care.